Are you a beginner in trading, or you want to start a trading, or you are master into trading but you are finding it difficult to create and verify your Binance account? In today's video, I will take you through the step by steps on how to create and then verify your Binance account. First of all, you may ask, what is Binance account, or what is Binance? Binance is a crypto exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrency. If you're using a Binance account, it's a great opportunity for you to start exchanging in the world of. So, for if you're using a Binance account or you own a Binance account, it helps you to transfer money locally from either your Momo account or your bank account to the Binance platform and then use it to trade. So let's head into the website and create our Binance account. So if you open your website, this is how it looks. Or if you are using a mobile phone, you can download it on your Play Store or App Store. The same method that we're going to use here is the same thing that you'll find on your mobile app. Okay, so I'm using the desktop, or the desktop one to create one. So make sure you use the mobile app to, or you can download it. So if you open the website at binance.com, this is our interface of the Binance platform. So you see we have login here, we have register. We want to register a new account, so you click on register. So if you click on register, we have the options here. You say continue with Google, continue with Apple, or sign up with email address. So I will choose sign up with email or phone. Okay, so for this one, you can use your mobile phone number, or you can use your email address straightforward to sign it up. So which one do you expect us to use? Let's use our email address. So I use my email address, and then we're going to verify our email address in the email section. Okay, so let's jump into the email address, and then the code that Binance will send to our email inbox, then we come and then provide this code into the section below. So make sure you come and then enter the code here. After that, we are going to create our password. Okay, we are going to create our, and the password should be at least 8 character words. Okay, so make sure you create a password. The password, you need to include uppercase number, and then you include you click on next. So now our account has been created, and then let's sign in to our account. And to verify your account, we have something that you need. Okay, we have something that you need that will help you to verify your account. That is your verifying government ID. So in Ghana here, we're going to use the Ghana card to verify our account. So for the account verification, you take a picture of your ID, and then you take your own selfie to verify your account. Okay, so let's verify our account. So to verify your account, you come here, you click on verified. So because I'm in Ghana, just selected my location for me. So for Ghana, we're going to use we're going to use our Ghana card. Okay, so I will take my personal information. They will take personal information, government ID issues, and then they check it. Okay, once they have done checking it, then my account will be verified. So here I'm going to use the phone to scan. So we are going to scan it on our phone. So as you can see, after I've provided my verification details, you can see it here. We are reviewing your application. Estimate review time is 1 day. So from today till tomorrow, they will review it and then verify my account for me. So this is the simple and the easier way to verify your Binance account. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. I will take you through how you can use the Binance website to start making money online. Check on the